Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Today we will be presenting the best lifetime deal for Drawtify. Treat yourself to a great deal today. Make pleasing graphics with this online graphic design software. Enhance your creativity with Drawtify. Drawtify is an online infographic generator that can assist you in creating a professional infographic in a matter of minutes. Generate your logos, infographics, animations, marketing pictures, social media photos, and gorgeous graphics online for free. Avail our lifetime deal for Drawtify and enjoy the perks of being your own infographic creator. With Drawtify, you can easily create exclusive vector graphics. It is loaded with infographic tools, animation tools, and graphic content publisher that can help you make an amazing content. Drawtify includes a lot of excellent built-in design features such as high-quality editable design templates, design elements, and practical graphic design plugins like barcodes, QR codes, charts, diagrams, maps, and calendar generator. Regular price for Drawtify costs $990. But you can have the lifetime deal for Drawtify for only $79.90, and you won't have to spend another cent more. Do you like what you're hearing about Drawtify? Check out the link below for more details and get lifetime access today at a great price. Saving up for a better deal? Now is the time to spend. Don't miss this excellent promo. These deals are just for you. Buy now. More software lifetime deals are available on the top right of your screen. There are dozens of software to choose from. You will definitely find what's best for you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button to get our latest software deals and much more. See you next time.